Hi, peoples. I landed my butt in urgent care. They're gonna start an IV line to help me be hydrated. Because I can't, like, catch up. I lost a bunch of fluids and I can't seem to catch up. For whatever reason. Like, I don't know why, just my body's not. I just can't catch up. But, ow. Can't prescribe a cough suppressant. So, another one. So, yeah. Let's see. I'm tired. I think that's obvious because I've been, like, coughing a lot. I was, like, coughing all night and it kept my mom up because I was coughing so much. So, oops. I just wanted to quickly update you. So yeah, I'm in urgent care again. And then freaking out the people because, like, my heart rate went to check and it was like 152 beats per minute. Yeah, I'm probably dehydrated. Because I can't seem to catch up. My body's being stupid, but yeah, what can you do? Hopefully, I won't keep my mom up tonight.